What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a break from the Fox body content and we're going to be doing some work on my F-250. Front brakes are shot after less than 2 years, maybe 30,000 miles. The front brakes are giving up, so we're heading over to our buddy Joe's shop and we're going to get this taken care of. And just when I thought it couldn't get any worse, look at this. Gotta love this Miami traffic, this 5 o'clock rush hour traffic. If you're planning on coming to Miami, please reschedule it. We're full. All right, Joe, so what are we doing today?
Front brakes.
Nice. So, are we gonna use the hammer?
You want it?
Sure.
Okay, we can use it.
Yeah. Yeah. Smash the old rotors.
Look at that.
Nice. Reunited.
I keep it for you.
Do you have a lock on that drawer?
On that drawer?
Yeah.
No.
So I don't steal a hammer?
I know. You could take it.
Alright, so the brakes are brand new, but Joe decided to change them anyway.
They're only good for about 500 miles
Okay.
on big trucks because they weigh so much. It takes so much to stop them.
So next week we'll be doing the same thing?
A week and a half, yeah. 2 weeks.
Oh man. Don't mind the dirty wheels.
That's all right. I got them all for you for like, what was it, $14.50 or something for all the front pads and rotors. So yeah, another 2 weeks.
You know, I only have to do, like 20, 30 jobs to pay them off.
It's like $3 grand a month, whatever, to pay for the front brakes.
Here we got the beast here, OEF. Joe says they're good. I'll believe him. If they last 2 weeks, I'll be happy. So I just didn't record the last 2 minutes. So we'll pick up here. It says rock lights are not enough. Joe, when are we upgrading these?
I got them in stock.
Where can they find your lights?
On my Instagram, Stance Stream, or on the website, but I don't have everything on the website yet.
You heard them. Go to IG, hit up StanStream, and get your lights. These are not it. They're way brighter. We're gonna upgrade those soon.
Yes, we are.
Is it heavy?
Lightweight.
There we go. With the new. See, other people unbox cell phones and stuff. We unbox brake rotors.
They're E-coated.
Not like these.
No.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave the truck here and walk home. These are too nice to use them.
Yeah.
Careful, kids. You never know what could come out of your brakes.
Yes.
Yeah, just a little bit of rust. Not much. There you go. We don't need gloves here. That's for those fancy shops like Mercedes and stuff like that. All right, don't take any of this seriously. Maybe. This is not a DIY tutorial. We're just seeing Joe doing some weird stuff behind the rotor. The rust, does it come included at no cost?
Today. Yes.
All right.
Other ones, friends, whatever. No, we're gonna have to charge them.
See this Florida truck meet prep right here. What's next? 30-inch lift?
Tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think we can get it done before the morning?
Dude, I'll have it done by midnight. It's like 8 o'clock.
7 actually. So you'll have time to take a break?
Yeah, I'll have it done by like 11. If anyone tells you different, they're lying.
And this is only gonna cost me?
I don't know, probably 400. Because we already did the brakes. Brakes are the biggest part of the lift.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, you know, you already added those braided stainless lines.
Yeah. I got those off a Honda earlier.
Oh, those are stock from Honda?
Yeah. I told you.
Yeah, at least I'll have Honda reliability on the truck.
Yeah.
So I heard you interned at NASCAR pit crew?
The what?
You interned at NASCAR pit crew?
Yeah, I can do it faster with an air gun.
There you go. No, it didn't fall. I think you do know a thing or two.
No promise you'll get home, but
You know, I'll be happy if I get, to the end of the block.
it's like halfway home.
Oh, nice. They still got some lights left.
Yeah, you can go. We'll put them back on. We just want to clean it.
Yeah, let's clean this.
See, that one's bad.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, because see how there's dirt in here?
Yeah, this one should have been replaced like a month ago.
Yeah, this one's bad. That one you could. This thing's like just chipping away. How cheap those are.
Yeah. Never buy Napa fleet pads, kids. This could happen to you. Look at that. Awesome quality. Napa strikes again. Let's do it. To be honest, I was expecting more hammer action.
That thing's destroyed.
Let's go, round 2. Should I bring the hammer?
At least.
I think that powdered lube is better.
You touch it more than twice or playing with it?
Oh man, I think I touched it 3 times today.
Play with it.
So we're done?
That's it. Well, I gotta wipe your wheels because they're cheap.
Ah, it's fine.
No, it's not.
So you think we'll get a lot of dust?
I don't think so.
Well, at least not as much dust with these Napa pieces of junk.
No, we've really been liking this company, so we'll have to see how they hold up on the big trucks because I'm gonna put them on mine.
So basically, I'm a guinea pig.
If you want to call yourself that.
All right, guys, so we're gonna end off this video right here. Remember to like, subscribe, share the video. Shout out to Joe for helping me out.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, I'll probably be here next week doing the other set of brakes. And let's see if he actually did things right and we can get that Fox body engine started.
Oh yeah.
Catch you guys on the next one.